it's going to be pretty interesting to look at the United States Supreme Court forthcoming cases in the next term and how that might impact people in the 2022 midterm. So there are cases such as the Voting Rights Act. This is going to be a very, very huge deal. There are things such as the independent state theory, which is this notion that elections are local, which is something we've always heard. But because elections are local, then it means that locally, those individuals who are administering the election can make decisions, even on something of whether or not to certify a vote. So we're going to be looking at the Supreme Court looking at these kind of issues. Now, this isn't going to impact our 2022 election, but you could see people worried about continuing ideas that might be permeating. We're expecting to see the Indian Child Welfare Act be a case that the Supreme Court is going to be looking at. There will be other cases on affirmative action and some larger ideas that are happening in the United States as it relates to equity and inclusion and diversity. But the one that's really going to be top of mind for people as it relates to legal cases will be the Dobbs decision that came down at the end of last term. And this is our case that has outlined that there was no United States constitutional provision protecting a legal right to an abortion, and really turning it back over to the states to make decisions from there. That makes it local. That makes it something that's going to happen jurisdiction by jurisdiction on what the community decides.